Hey, welcome back to BoxHero. In this video, you'll learn how to manage purchases, sales, and returns on the BoxHero mobile app. We'll create orders, track their status, and process customer returns, all from your phone. So scroll down on your home screen until you see Purchases and Sales. You'll see four options here. Purchases and sales are not the same as stock in and stock out under Transactions. Transactions are for quick stock changes when you just need to update a quantity. Purchases and sales are for when you need an actual order on record. They're related, but there's a distinction. So let's start with buying. You'll land on your purchase order list, and each one shows an order number, date, supplier, item count, and total. Across the top, you'll see a tab for each status. Draft? Pretty self-explanatory. The order is in progress and hasn't been sent to the supplier. Ordered? You've placed the order and now you're just waiting on delivery. Partially received? Some items have arrived, but you're still waiting on the rest to come. And finally, received. Everything has arrived. Note that your inventory only changes once items in your PO are actually received. If it's still a draft or you're waiting on delivery, your stock levels stay the same. Let's try creating a purchase order. First, pick a supplier. The order currency is pre-filled based on your team settings, in this case US dollars. Next, add item to search your inventory or hit scan barcode to scan the products in front of you. Let's say we're ordering some of these moisturizers from our supplier. If you already have pricing information saved for an item, BoxHero fills it in automatically. For quantity, we'll set it to 20. And the total gets calculated so we don't have to do the math ourselves. You'll also notice options for taxes and discounts on the screen. We'll go over those in more detail next time, so for now, let's move on. A few more things for this purchase order. Order number, you can add your own or leave it blank to auto-generate. For order date, we'll just set it as today, June 16th, 2026. And for the expected date, let's set that for about a week out, so the 23rd. Now, let's process the order. A few options here. 1. Tap Save Draft. 2. Tap Save to mark it as ordered. Nothing has actually arrived, you're just placing the order and getting it on record. And 3. You can check the box here, then Save. That marks the PO as received and updates your stock in one move. For now, we're going to uncheck the box and just save the order. Our new PO, order number 10, has been created with the ordered status. When the delivery arrives later, open the order and record what came in. If only 10 of the 20 moisturizers arrive, we'll tap Partially Receive. Then we'll pick the location they're going to. And this creates a new stock in transaction to the new arrivals location. We're going to go ahead and select the item we received. There's the moisturizer, and for quantity, we'll enter 10. You can also add a quick note for reference. Now we'll submit the transaction, and BoxHero updates your inventory. Notice the order status has changed from ordered to partially received. When the remaining 10 arrive, tap Receive All. We'll select the same location, stock in, and the status updates to Received. All clear, and that order is complete. Now, let's move on to selling. We'll go back to our home screen and tap Sales, which also have 4 statuses: Draft, Confirmed, Partially Shipped, and Shipped. Just like with purchases, draft and confirmed orders won't affect your inventory until you actually ship something out. To create a new sales order, tap the plus icon, and this time we'll choose a customer. Add your items, set the quantities, and BoxHero handles the final total. Again, there's 3 options for saving. 1. Save draft if you're still waiting on the customer. 2. Save to market confirmed. And 3. Check the stock out items immediately box to mark it shipped right away. This time, we're going to ship all the items from the best seller's location, stock out, and you can see the status has changed to shipped right away. To confirm, you can scroll down and see the shipped items, 2 items, 6 units total, and that was the stock out transaction from the best seller's location. Now, let's say our customer wasn't so happy with one of the products. We'll go back to the sales order, scroll down, and under shipped items, you'll see returned items. Let's add a return. Choose the item the customer is returning, and enter the quantity that's being returned. Feel free to add a note if needed. We'll check the stock in items immediately box and then save the return. Pick the location where the returned item is going to, and then tap the stock in button. That puts the item back into your inventory. And on the original sales order, you can see the returned and refund amount of $30. So we just finished covering how to manage purchases, sales, and returns right from the BoxHero app. In the next video, we'll level up your orders with custom fields, price lists, and bundles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.